Yo, what's going on, guys? Hope all is well. Today is April 30th, 2024. I'm going to this building right here, and it says the fourth floor has no AC or no heat. It's a heat pump system, so see what it is. Hope all is well. Today is just cloudy, like overcast, and that's it. This is Bedford Hills, New York. So let's see what's going on. It's the internet, boy. Babel's talking on the internet. Feels like nothing's running outside. Wait, that's freezing cold, bro. What? Why is this cold, bro? Like, cold. It's definitely cooling. Two-zone system. You have no filter. You have no filter. I'm gonna drop the top. Okay, let's see what's going on over here. Change the world. Change the world. Daughter looks at him like, this is my dad? So I'm gonna hook up gauges because something's not right. It's cooling, but something's not right. I've been working on the railroad. Champion. These caps suck. I thought this joint was zoned. It's not. I didn't look. All right, so there was two units in here. That one and this one. They made two suites out of. They made one suite out of two units. So that unit, this is the one that they're saying is not heating or not cooling. So before when I said that zoned, it's because it says 401 and 402. But this is 401. So they probably just somebody didn't realize it. There's three suites up here: 401, 402. 403, but now they made 402 both parts of 401. So let me go to the other thermostat, turn this on because this guy is plugged. This place, they just need maintenance. This is ridiculous. Got milk? Let me clear that out too. Wow. I gotta get my water. 10 threw me off, but it's on the other side. It's 410. So I just needed to see. This is actually warm now. I don't like that flood back, but it's coming upstairs, 4 floors, and they probably don't have the proper filter on. Whatever. That's the one I'm working with though. That's not heating or not cooling right here. So I'll put that to 72 for them. It's cooling. Turn them off because they're freezing in there. This one I have to check. I'm gonna chalk it up as a filter, but I have to obviously check it. All right, cool. So now I'll just go outside. I don't have my thermometer with me to take the temp split, but I'm gonna think it's that filter. I'll hook up the gauges to it because I didn't even know which one it was out there. Nothing's marked. Why would it be? Oops, after you. Sorry. Have a good day. Thank you. Yeah, nothing's ever marked. Yeah, let me check. Yeah, we are though. Yeah, boy. Be babbling. Put it on the internet. I'ma drink to that. I could put an end to that. 12 degrees, sub cool. Coming down is good. It'll come down to this. Can't see target on the camera, but target is 11 degrees. Boom. Let's see what it comes to. Fluctuation. 11.3, 11.4. You good money. People hate when you do this. Come on, fella. Come on there, guy. What are you talking about, guy? Dirty filters, do it every time. Get your maintenance. Why, you guys got cold? You got cold in here? I'm sorry. You have a jacket on, too.
Well, I'm also by the window that doesn't close all the way.
Yeah, but it's hot outside.
I know. I was outside in my car with
I'm just kidding. You heard it. She's freezing. That's good. All good. Like I said, 2020, never again. It's that. This place needs to be, I'll take this with me. This place needs maintenance, 100,000%. Elevator, and you hear someone running to get, the door's about to close, they run. It's like another 10 seconds. It's funny though. Yo guys, it's the internet, boy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thanks again. Take care.